Ano? Magsalita ka na. Pwede na.
Wala akong masabi na. Para na ano na yung boses ko. Hindi, maganda naman kasi yung, actually maganda yung preparation namin. And one thing na maintain namin, na contain namin, no, na medyo na-limit namin, kabigting, the shooter. Sino yung mga shooter na matutay kabigting. So, maganda yung depensa namin, maganda yung game plan namin against them. And yun, talagang ginawa nila yung game plan namin is to play defense, especially those kasame when we go to the post up. Meron nag-help, may help defense talaga kami. And they do their job talaga na like, yung physical game nila, although ganun ang laro, okay naman yung ano nila, yung defense nila. Abueva, wala akong masabi kasi every game, ganyan naman yung aggressiveness ni Calvin Abueva. Every game, kahit nasa practice, ganyan siya eh. So, talagang ito yung rin isang key why we masyadong parang control namin ng game. Parang na-control namin yung game. And ready kami doon sa pressure nila, full court. Kasi all the way nag-pressure sila. Although meron kami mga konting mistakes, okay lang 'yon. Given 'yan eh.